So you went and bought a Jeep, and if you want one of those and you want to get rid of one of those, then this is how you do it. All you need is a 10mm socket to loosen up two bolts. They're located here and here, and it basically takes down this strap. Once it's down, you can throw away the bolts and the strap, because we'll provide you with everything you need to replace it, which is one of these and two of those. And to install it, it's the exact same way as you took out the original. You just gotta find the hole. Once you do that, you'll need an Allen wrench like this, and basically you just tighten them into place, and that will give you one of those. Thanks for watching.